Okay, just imagine this for a second. It's a nice afternoon. You're in a red roadster, shifting the gears with side pipes, hearing the rumble of the pipes. Well, look what we have here. That can become a reality. It's a 1965 Corvette L79 327 with 350 horsepower, 4-speed, posi, nice frame-off restoration, correct numbers and codes throughout. Go to volocars.com. You can look at about 100 pictures top to bottom. You can read the information, and that is where you'll find a price tag on every car we have for sale, along with the monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, it looks like it was frame off restored maybe 10 years ago. You can tell it was all apart underneath. The frame is clean, and the components and the bushings and everything looks like it was apart and rebuilt. The front end, I can see control arm bushings, the bushings on the sway bars, the shocks, a lot of new components. Same thing in back. You can see it was apart and gone through. This is independent suspension front and back. 63 was the first year for that. This is a 65, which is the first year they put disc brakes on Corvettes, and it's at all 4 wheels. And that's part of the restoration, the calipers, the lines, all that looks nice and clean. The e-brake is hooked up. There's no exhaust under there to talk about because it's hanging off the side of each side of the car. That is a factory side exhaust system. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. The fiberglass floors didn't look damaged or broken at all. The spare tire carrier is all there and in really good shape. The frame is solid. The chassis components are all painted and clean. The chassis is black. You look up at the motor, it's real clean Chevy orange. The correct starter and fuel pump look fresh. It has the canister, screw-on type oil filter, which is correct. It has a Muncie 4-speed transmission. The numbers that are stamped on it do align with the date of this car. It has a 336 posi rear end in the back. The stamps that are on it line up with the car. So that all checks out properly. Now the body. When we look for it, when we start inspecting it, there'll be a few minor flaws, but I'm telling you, standing there, it's gorgeous. It's slick red paint, lines up nice, it's straight, it looks really sharp. But this is all nice, and you feel up in here, and there's a body bonding seam. That means it's an indicator, it's still the original front end. The aftermarket is all one piece and doesn't have this bonding strip. This has the bonding strip. That's always something we check for. I don't see any damage. It's clean. It's straight. No rust. Haha. This all fits nicely. Straight. No damage. This is all real good. There's like a little hairline crack right here. And another couple of them next to that there. Here's a hairline crack down in this groove. And that's just what Corvettes do. We've recently sold some Corvettes, very expensive Corvettes, and they have their little hairline cracks. Here's one here. It's still kind of under the paint. You can barely see it. This is all straight. It's not damaged. I don't see body work showing. I don't see any, bad areas. That all looks good. Door shuts real nice. Yeah, this all lines up good. The car looks straight. That all looks real good. Hairline crack right along the top edge right here. This all looks good. Headlights fit nice. Hood fits nice. We'll open and close the headlights in a little bit. So yeah, the body is very nice. Rarely will you find one without a few hairline cracks in it. The paint is real shiny. Again, you could inspect it and find some flaws. Like right up here is not buffed and polished as good as the rest. There's a little texture, little imperfections here or there. It's not nicked up. It's not chipped up. A little touch up like here from the convertible top. So overall, the paint shows really well. There's going to be some minor flaws when you look for them. These look original. They have a little bit of wear and tear. Emblem looks good. This looks really good, actually. It's a clear plastic. There's a few cracks in it. Bumper has a little bad spot of chrome right here. I'm going to say the bumpers are like a 7. Tail lights are shiny. It all looks good. Door handles are real shiny. Has a bow tie mirror that looks real nice. The vent window frame, very nice. The stainless, probably original. It's straight. Just has a little bit of age. Original windshield. Has a real light wiper mark there, and just a little tiny little speckles, you know, in the glass. This is shiny. The cross flags. Front bumpers are like the back bumpers. I gave them a 7. I maybe give these an 8. They're a little bit sharper. But the big deal is it's an original rally red car. It's got knockoff wheels, which look great. There's some Goodyear radial tires on there, and it has the factory side exhaust. If this was a hubcap car without the side exhaust, it wouldn't be as desirable to me. Shifting those gears, just hearing the pipes, they're not obnoxious. It's just a nice sound coming out of those pipes. You're downshifting and upshifting. It sounds really cool. I really like that. Black convertible top is new. You can see pictures of that on our website. So now why don't we open it up, tell you what it's all about inside the car. All right, let's see what the inside of this pretty red Corvette looks like. You know, we do have on our website a Buy It Now button. Anytime if you're real interested in the car, you hit that Buy It Now, and that holds the car for you. Door jambs are real nice and clean. Weather strips look real nice. Door panels are clean and straight, not beat up. The up front by the hinges, all that looks real nice. So the dash area, this is real nice and clean too. I think they're exceptionally nice, and the knobs and the instrument panel, the dash pad, all of this is in very nice shape. The clock looks new, and it is ticking. The knobs look real good. Original AM, FM radio. Glove box door is excellent. Light works, has the owner's manual. Nice carpet, interior lights work, reproduction mats. The center console's in real nice shape, has reverse lockout shifter, the correct Chevy seat belts. Now these seats are genuine leather. Car was born black vinyl. This is actual leather, nice cushions, nice upholstery. That looks real good. Carpet front to back's in really nice shape. Convertible top, like I said, is new. It's a black convertible top. The rubber on the top is new. The light works back there. Under the lid is nice and clean. It's actually a very nice interior, it really is. Now this car has an Ohio issued VIN number, so it's been reissued. The codes and dates on the driveline all match up and line up with the date the car is built, so everything is correct and proper. It is the HT code. That's a 327, 350 horsepower. As the aluminum intake, even the codes on the intake are correct. I checked that out. But over here we have the expansion tank. And it is dated 1965. Alternator looks clean. We have the correct fuel filter, and we got the right choke tube over here. Right exhaust manifolds, GM hoses, and reproduction clamps. This looks like an original lid. You can see it's got some speckling in the chrome. It has the ignition shielding. It has the correct finned valve covers. So the motor is all stock. Radiator, wiring, everything looks good. The clutch fan, you see the suspension, the bushings have been replaced. So it's a very nice motor compartment. not obnoxious sounding, just got a nice sound when you get on it. It's got a little bit of a growl to it. Oil pressure's pegged, batteries charging, tags working. I told you I'd show you the headlights. Go, bye-bye. I might not come back. So I'm very happy with the overall condition of this car. In and out, top to bottom, it's just nice, clean, respectable. It's not that 10 trailer queen car, but it's a very nice car. I would be proud to own it. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They'll help get this delivered to your door, and they'll help you finance it at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. That way you're notified when new videos are posted. Thanks for watching.